We got this Estmoon Casserole dishes, and let's see, like this works really well with the oven, with the thick corners, handles, non-slip base, comes in the pack of four. There's a four different sizes with the 12 inches, 10.6, 7.5, and 9 inches. Each one is of the same quality, and see, like there is a stand as well that you can put this hot one directly on the countertop or anywhere you want. This is the nice design, as you can see, with the glazed ceramic. So nice quality. I can feel it in my hands that they are really nice quality, heavy, and heavy duty, easy to clean and wash, and then easy to use. Let me just explore. So I use this for some of the oven stuff, like for cooking, and I don't feel any problem while using these. The handles are pretty easy, but of course you still need the gloves to take this out. And the base is really helpful in putting on the countertop directly. So very nice baking dishes.